Hey guys, welcome back to FiX. In this video, we're going to show you how to fix the use button in Fortnite Lego. So first off here, if you are going to play Lego Fortnite and you want to press E as use button but not working, for example here, you want to collect pumpkin and it's not basically working. So what you're going to do now is you just need to press escape on your keyboard and then click on settings and then click that settings at the top, then go to keyboard controls right from here, and then you just have to find the use button. Now here you're going to delete this E key, so click this X button and then reapply the E key on your keyboard once again. So once done, click on apply and test. And it should be working. So that's it. That's how you basically fix the use button in Lego Fortnite. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.